Home remedies for firming sagging breasts. Every woman wants to have perfectly shaped breasts throughout her life. Sadly, this is not possible in most cases. Breast sagging is a natural process that happens with age wherein the breasts lose their suppleness and elasticity. Though saggy breasts usually start happening after a woman reaches 40, it can occur earlier. Apart from age, other factors that cause sagging breasts include breastfeeding, pregnancy, menopause, rapid weight loss or gain, strenuous exercise, nutritional deficiencies and wearing a poorly fitting bra. Some diseases like breast cancer or respiratory conditions like tuberculosis can also cause breasts to sag. Also, excessive consumption of nicotine, alcohol and carbonated beverages can contribute to the problem. Breasts do not have muscle. They are made of fat, connective tissues and milk-producing glands, and they need proper care to keep them in good shape. A wide variety of creams and lotions are available on the market to tighten and tone up sagging breasts. However, if you prefer natural methods, there are many simple and easy home remedies that you can try. Here are the top 10 home remedies to firm sagging breasts. 1. Exercise. Those with saggy breasts must incorporate exercise in their daily routine. Exercises that target breast tissues and pectoral muscles around the chest can help a lot to add firmness. Some exercises that can effectively lift up and firm sagging breasts are chest presses and pulls, arm raises, roundabout push-ups, and dumbbell flies. Along with these, there are other types of exercises that you can perform to firm your breasts. Check out this video to learn more. 2. Ice massage. Ice massage is also considered very effective to regain firmness in sagging breasts and uplift them. The cold temperature will cause the tissue to contract, in turn making the breasts appear firmer and more lifted. Take 2 ice cubes and massage them in circular motions around each of your breasts for 1 minute only. Dry the breasts with a soft towel and immediately put on a proper fitting bra. Stay in a reclining position for 30 minutes. Do this at regular intervals throughout the day. Note: do not expose your breasts to ice for more than 1 minute at a time as it can cause numbness. 3. Olive oil. Massaging your breasts with olive oil is an excellent technique to firm sagging breasts. Olive oil is a rich source of antioxidants and fatty acids that can reverse the damage caused by free radicals and prevent sagging breasts. Plus, it will help improve the skin tone and texture. Put some olive oil onto your palms and rub them together to generate heat. Rub your palms over your breasts in an upward motion. Massage gently for about 15 minutes to increase blood flow and stimulate cell repair. Follow this remedy at least 4 or 5 times per week. You can also use almond, argan, avocado or jojoba oil to massage your breasts. 4. Cucumber and egg yolk. Another excellent remedy for lifting the breasts is a mask prepared from cucumber and egg yolk. Cucumber has natural skin toning properties and egg yolk has high levels of protein and vitamins that can help treat sagging breasts. Puree 1 small cucumber in a blender. Mix in 1 egg yolk and 1 teaspoon of butter or cream to get a paste. Apply it onto your breasts and leave it on for about 30 minutes. Wash it off thoroughly with cold water. Use this mask once a week to firm and strengthen the breast tissues. 5. Egg white. Egg white is also good for sagging breasts due to its astringent and skin-nourishing properties. The hydrolipids present in egg white helps lift loose skin around your breasts. Beat 1 egg white until you get a foamy texture. Apply this onto your breasts and allow it to sit for 30 minutes. Wash it off with cucumber or onion juice and then with cold water. You can also prepare a breast mask by mixing 1 egg white with 1 tablespoon each of plain yogurt and honey. Apply it onto your breasts and leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse it off with cold water. Follow either of these remedies once a week to enjoy firm breasts. 6. Fenugreek. In Ayurveda, fenugreek is often used to firm sagging breasts. It has vitamins and antioxidants that combat free radical damage and help lift, tighten and smooth skin around the breasts. Mix 1/4 cup of fenugreek powder with enough water to form a thick paste. Massage this paste onto your breasts and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. Follow this remedy once or twice a week. You can also prepare a breast mask with a half cup of yogurt, 10 drops each of fenugreek oil and vitamin E oil and 1 egg white. Mix the ingredients until you get a smooth paste. Apply the paste onto your breasts and rub it in gently. Let it sit for about 30 minutes and then rinse it off with cold water. Use this mask once a week. 7. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is considered a wonderful anti-aging ingredient and can help prevent sagging breasts. Pomegranate seed oil is rich in phytonutrients that can lead to firm breasts. Make a paste of pomegranate peel and some warmed mustard oil. Use it to massage your breasts in a circular motion for 5 to 10 minutes daily before going to bed. You can also use pomegranate seed oil to massage your breasts 2 or 3 times daily. Another option is to mix 4 teaspoons of neem oil with 1 teaspoon of dried and powdered pomegranate rind. Heat this mixture for a few minutes. Allow it to cool, and then use it to massage your breasts twice daily for several weeks. 8. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera has natural skin tightening properties that can help get rid of sagging breasts. The antioxidants in aloe vera prevent damage caused by free radicals and help firm sagging breasts. Apply aloe vera gel onto your breasts and massage gently in a circular motion for 10 minutes. Allow it to sit for another 10 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. Repeat this remedy 4 or 5 times a week to get effective results. You can also prepare a mixture of 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon each of mayonnaise and honey. Apply this onto your breasts and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse it off first with warm water and then use cold water. Do this once a week. 9. Shea Butter. Another natural ingredient to firm and tighten breasts is shea butter. It is a great source of vitamin E that tightens the skin to give your breasts a firmer appearance. Also, it helps prevent cell damage caused by free radicals. Rub some shea butter onto your breasts. Massage in an upward and circular direction for 10-15 minutes. Leave it on for another 10 minutes and then wash it off with water. Follow this remedy 3 or 4 times a week to see noticeable results. 10. Wrestle clay. Wrestle clay is a natural skin firming ingredient. It contains minerals like silica, magnesium, iron, calcium, potassium, and sodium that helps to firm and tighten sagging skin, including breasts. Mix 2 tablespoons of wrestle clay in powder form with enough water to make a smooth paste. Apply this paste onto your breasts and allow it to dry. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Follow this treatment once a week. Additional tips: avoid extreme dieting as drastic weight loss in a short time span can cause your breasts to sag. Enjoy swimming as it is a great exercise to firm breasts. Avoid doing forward bends, contracting poses, jogging and running without wearing a supportive bra. Make it a habit to drink an ample amount of water daily to hydrate your skin. Do not directly expose your breasts to the sun without sunscreen. Sunlight can lead to loss of skin elasticity. Apply sunscreen on your breasts whenever you are wearing a tank top, bathing suit or sundress that has a low neckline. Stop smoking to improve overall health and to protect the fragile skin of the breasts. Make sure to correct your posture to avoid sagging breasts. Always sit straight and walk straight, without drooping. Always wear the right fitting bra to provide enough support for your breasts. If needed, wear a push-up bra to give your breasts proper support. Wear a sports bra while doing aerobic exercises, playing tennis, jogging or doing any kind of workout that causes the breasts to bounce. If you are overweight, lose weight. Excessive body weight causes the skin to stretch and breasts to sag. You can also try yoga to tone and tighten the breasts within a realistic range. Eat healthy foods with essential nutrients like proteins, vitamins, calcium, minerals, carbohydrates and essential fats that are required to firm up the breasts. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.